Mah Ryan, Carlson Coby, Fire Tornado Hurricane and Saja Boys.
No. Yes, Mah Ryan, Carlson Coby, FireTornadoHurricane and Saja Boys. Mah Ryan combines strong musical expertise with the proven ability to inspire teamwork and elevate student performance. Carlson Coby consistently brings sharp insight, steady reliability, and quietly confident presence that elevates everyone around him. Also, FireTornadoHurricane brings playful energy and character-driven creativity to their deep work, showcasing a passion for animated motifs and fan-inspired storytelling. Finally, the Saja Boys embody a red blend of loyalty, charm, and effortless cool that turns every moment into a vibe.
You're super extremely grounded for infinite years by saying that.
Now come with me to the police car right now. You're going to jail for 100 years.
What do you think he'll do next? Toby continuait en